A massive fire has gutted sections of the Princess Royal building, which houses the Ammars clothes store on King Street in downtown Kingston. Yannick Williams tells us more.
It's minutes after 10 Sunday morning. Flames tore through the Ammars department store in downtown Kingston. Mannequins burnt, windows shattered. Thick black smoke filled the air as scores of firefighters rushed to the property. TVJ News understands that the fire started in the storeroom and spread rapidly to other sections, creating a spectacle.
On arrival of the first unit from York Park Fire Station, they would have saw large smoke emitting from the building and called for additional assistance. Assistance would have come from Halfway Tree, Rollington Town, Trench Town, and also additional units from York Park. We have currently 31 firefighters on the scene, battling the blaze with 6 jets of water.
Firefighters say it was difficult to contain the fire. Up until 2 p.m., when our news team was still on the scene, they were not able to determine its origin, as the firefighters were unable to get inside the building.
It is very challenging for us. We have to be fighting the fire from 3 sections, from the west, the north, and the east of the building.
The store owner, who was unable to speak on camera, says the damage is extensive. Losses are still being tallied. As for the employees, they were being relocated to different branches. Investigation into the cause of the fire are expected to continue once it is safe to enter the building. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.